Oh, not all. Thanks. You must be Jay.
Yeah, sorry, I was gonna go to the restroom, but I can hold it.
Nah, don't worry about it, man. I have to go.
In the bathroom? You want to do this?
Yeah, come on, man. It'll be fun.
We won the game.
Sounds like somebody's hungry.
After chewing comes swallowing. The asparagus?
Damn burrito.
Sorry, I'm very hungry.
Don't worry, I sent Chase to get pizza.
Pizza? Sorry, bro.
Look like anyone's been here in years.
We have to find that lab fast. Let's split up. Hold on.
Oh, sandwich pain!
Oh, my tum-tum can't take it, bro.
That's just sad. I'm gonna go dribble over there now. Dribble, 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 dribble. Let's try to wash this down with some ice cold pop. Si tienes diarrea.
Una sopa de pollo. Ya va a pasar. Sigo con diarrea.
Esto no.
Here it comes.
Good God. You okay? Just a little too much caffeine.
Bert, grab a seat, will you? I'm running behind.
Oh, no.
Textbook and everything in it is a total crock. The book covers are really just old cereal boxes. Uh-oh. Oh, me, the winner. What a gas. Uh-oh. Zucker in Ihren Kaffee. Mann, da will man einmal dazuhören. Ach übrigens, ich wollte den Kaffee nicht trinken, da sind diese komischen Pillen eingefallen. Mann, ist das ein geiler Tag. Ach übrigens, wir haben kein Klopapier mehr. Ah!
that, sir?
If I have reason to believe you're cheating, I can. And I do. So I have. Now get on with your paper.
Oh, God, no. Phil? Phil? Oh, no. Phil? Oh, gee.
What? Carpentry is hard work. Don't worry. I'm not gonna...
This isn't good.
Sounds like we're all hungry.
Sorry. Once this little guy gets going, he's hard to stop.
You'll eat soon, Sandy.
Aw, pretty sweet. Huh, Dad?
It sure is, honey.
How about we go hunt some lonely animals?